Good morning everyone, this is Craig the Computer Geek here in the first video in the series Tech Tip Tuesday for 2016. I hope you had a great time over the Christmas New Year holidays with family and friends, and now it's time to get back into it again. This week's tech tip is about the disk cleanup tool. This handy little tool is good for cleaning up unnecessary files if your system is getting low on disk space. It will analyse temporary files, the recycle bin, memory dump files, etc., and offer to clear them for you. It can be found in Windows 7 or earlier by going to Start, Accessories, System Tools. In Windows 8 or 10, type Disk Cleanup in the search bar and you'll find it. If you find that your system is starting to get sluggish, you should check your available disk space on C drive to make sure it's not getting too full. This week's Ask Craig question comes from Elsa in Canberra, and she wants to know, what are the advantages and disadvantages of Windows, Mac OS and Linux? Okay, this is by no means a definitive list, but here goes. Advantages of a Windows-based system. It's more versatile, a wider range of applications and hardware will work with it. Large market share of desktop laptop computers, nearly everyone is familiar with it. And it's easy to upgrade components. Disadvantages of a Windows PC. It's the main target of hackers and cybercriminals and requires frequent patching to deal with this. Advantages of a Mac OS X system. They're shiny. They do what they're designed to do very well. In particular, graphic designers, musicians, DJs, photographers, desktop publishers, etc. are very common users of Macs. They are seen in some circles as a status symbol. They look cool. They don't get attacked as much, but they're certainly not immune to cyber attacks. And did I mention they're shiny? Disadvantages of a Mac. They use proprietary connectors and software. They don't play well with other systems. They have strict controls on how you can do things and what you can connect to. It can be difficult to upgrade components, and they're less versatile in my opinion than PCs. Advantages of a Linux-based system. It's open source and therefore free. Runs very fast. It's always being updated. It's readily available and comes in many varieties. It's been around in some form for decades, in fact since the 1970s. It's extremely powerful and it's less vulnerable to malware. Disadvantages of Linux. Many commercial programs won't run on it. It doesn't natively support as many peripherals as Windows, and the look and feel can be quite different and intimidating for new users. So, there you are. My computers at home are all Windows based, but I have some Linux based tools that I used for troubleshooting. My virtual server that I host my own and customer websites on is Linux based. Please send us a technology or computer related question on our website www.craigthecomputergeek.com.au or hashtag CraigCompGeek on our Facebook page or on Twitter at CraigCompGeek, and we will select one for the next video. Take care and don't forget to subscribe.